Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the heat map on Tradingview in 2026. So before actually getting this option, you need to understand what it actually is. So the heat map in Tradingview is basically used to quickly see which stocks or the sectors are moving up or down and where most of the money is actually flowing. So the easiest way to use it is by basically first of all getting this option. So when you come on tradingview.com, simply hover over to the products and hover over to screeners. Over here, you will see the option of heat maps. Here you will notice that you can see the heat maps of stocks, ETFs and cryptos. So you need to select the market, the heat map of which you want to see. So let's say I want to see the heat map of crypto. After clicking on the option, it is going to show you the crypto coins heat map, which is going to look something like this. Now, when it opens the market heat map, here you will see different blocks in red and green, as you can see over here. So the green means the asset is up, the red means it is down. The bigger blocks usually represents the bigger market value. So you instantly know which big companies or which big cryptos are moving the market. Now on the heat map page, you will see the change in the market type. So for example, you can basically select stocks, cryptos and forex from here, or you can also basically make changes into it with the help of the market cap, FD market cap and the volume in the last 24 hours. So here you can also filter it out with the help of the changes in the last 24 hours, 4 hours and 1 hours. So you can do that as well. If you want to take a screenshot of it, you can use this camera icon and you can download the image of this heat map. You can also make changes into the settings by clicking on the settings icon. For the full screen mode, simply click on this full screen mode icon in order to see it in a full screen mode. In the bottom left, you will also see the performance of the cryptos in the last 7 days. So this way, you will be able to basically use the heat map on TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.